Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we will be doing Maths B May June 2025, Paper 1, question number 15. Let's go to question number 15. R and T are 2 points on a circle, center O. STU is the tangent to the circle at the point T. ROS is a straight line. Angle OTR is equals to 28 degree. Angle OST is equals to x degree. Calculate the values of x. Give reasons for each stage of your working. Okay. First of all, if this is 28, this is also 28, since OT is equals to AR and they are radius. Now, if this is 28, we know sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180. 180 minus 28 minus 28 is basically 124. Minus 28 or 180 minus 56 is equals to 124 degree. This is 124 degree, and this part is 56 degree, as this is a straight line. Angles in a straight line. We will do the working, and if this is 56, we know OTS is 90 degree. Okay, let's close this up. Now we will be doing the workings. OTS, okay, let's write it here. OTS is equals to 90 degree. Why? Our radius is perpendicular to a tangent at the point creates 90 degree. Okay. And OR equals to OT equals to equal as their radius. Triangle ROT is equals to isosceles, where angle R equals to angle T equals to 28 degree. Triangle ROT is equals to 180 minus 28 degree plus 28 degree is equals to 180 minus 56 is equals to 124 degree. Also, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That's a concept too. Now ROS is a straight line, as I told you that this is a straight line which is 180 degree. Now angle TOS is equals to TOS is equals to 180 minus 124 degree, which is 56 degree, the purple one. Now let's draw the triangle OTS. If this is 56 degree, we can find x is equals to 180 minus 90 degree minus 56 degree which is, let's have the split view. 180 minus 90 minus 56 is 34 degree, and hence it's 34 degree. We are done with question number 15.